Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if you're new here, and today I wanted to film a pamper routine that I like to do about once a week without my daughter, without anyone here, in order to relax and recharge, because I think as a mom it is so important to do that and take time for yourself so you can be the better version of yourself for the rest of your family. So the first thing that I do once everybody leaves is I light some candles. I'm very big on scents and that really relaxes me. So I make sure I light one in the bathroom and wherever I'm gonna be. And then I usually start off with my Amazonian clay mask just because it takes some time to dry, and I like to clean my face, really deep clean it while nobody is here so I can take my time and do whatever I have to do. So while my mask is drying, I head into my bedroom and I light my salt lamp and light up some candles and just make sure that the ambiance is as relaxing as possible for myself. Then I like to put a couple drops of my favorite essential oils into the hot shower. It just relaxes me and makes the whole bathroom smell really, really good. My favorite type of shampoo is anything with peppermint, so I use this vegan cruelty-free shampoo. It just makes my scalp feel really fresh and clean. Then I usually do a deep conditioner, and this is the one that I'm using at the moment. And since I have the time today, I'm going to give myself a lymphatic drainage massage. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about this, but if you're interested about this, you should definitely look it up because there's a lot of benefits, including blood flow circulation. It helps with cellulite. It helps with releasing toxins inside your body. And there's so much more benefits that are so interesting. And these two products are my top two absolute favorite things to use to wash my face. I love it so much that I'm even thinking about doing a review video on them. Once I hop out the shower, I moisturize my entire body, and I know this is really weird, but for my face I use the Lush Charity Pot. I've used it for years and I like the ingredients, and it's cruelty free, and it's been working for me really great. Next thing I like to do for myself is I try to write in this journal every single night and write something positive that happened throughout the day, and I've been doing it since the beginning of the year, and it's really cool to look back on and see how my daughter has changed or the milestones that we've achieved. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of my pamper routine. I hope it encourages you moms out there to take some time for yourself to recharge, because it really makes a difference for me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.